Oh my god, dog bird, go fly.
You know, birds aren't flawless like planes. There's gotta be a messed up step somewhere. When you are rushing but forgot to book an Uber ride in advance.
Brett, honk the horn. Oh, he's gonna tear up their car. Brett, honk the horn. Oh my god, he's in the car! Ooh.
Leave a comment if you used to split space with your siblings like this. Saying bye after a date with a guy's simp boyfriend, well, it is like a cute struggle. Hey bro, I'm here to check out some kicks for Christmas. Gotta find the perfect pair, you know?
Please, leave my stuff alone.
This is the reason why we gotta make shoes for birds too. Someone said monkeys are getting fancy with their taste buds. Well, seems like it's not a rumor. I never thought laziness mixed with high tech would be this quirky. But hey, it's kind of funny. These folks are odd. Only their legs match my hair color. Oh well. Let's embrace differences and move on. How to upgrade from fetch to fire breathing. Sweetie, you're not even close to handling my sass. Yet you try to talk to me? If you're cool with sharing space with a party-loving roommate, then embrace the extroverted life. Kitties are adorable most of the time, except when it hits 3 a.m. and yeah. When you throw a party crasher into a party, this is probably what will happen. Here is the original bad hair day victim, especially during gusty weather. Turns out, if there are no notebooks, models can slip into banana peel for those balanced sessions. Better check if Uber folks pre-book. If not, prepare for their strange payment methods. Friendships kick off in odd ways. Sometimes it's just about vibing together. even if it's kinda quirky. You better know this. Cats are actually pros at using their adorable charm as a sneaky little trap.
Hey!
If you're angry and are tight on cash, then here's the perfect way to let it out.
Yellow one, are you okay?
Pals don't prove they're tight pals by saying it. It's all about how they roll together. If he acts like this around you, then congratulations. That's a relationship goal of total trust. Gossip exists in every universe.
No, and I hope that she's okay, and I felt super bad, but I'm also like,
And I love her, but like,
I love her, but she is an attention whore.
Breakfast on late school days usually goes something like this.
Okay.
Eggs need protection no matter their shape. I don't discriminate. I have an open mindset, human. Monkeys don't go to the grocery store like we do. They come to us as they see us that way. How to take the spotlight when you're not the biggest one in the zoo. This guy actually used the lesson about flow from the physics teacher.
you are so dirty. Are you gonna shake off?
Got the answer for why you shouldn't judge someone's weight before they hit the shower.
Get rid of it. Good. A bad ticket. Loser ticket. Get rid of it.
The loser pile?
You're full.
Ma'am, why throw food on the ground while I'm right here? After learning about skin sensitivity, Monkey's probably aware by now.
I'm poking him.
In a real squirrel judo match, a fight to the finish. Getting the goal ain't always matter as what we pick up on the way, like swimming skills. It's tough to get why some folks exercise loads, but ain't skinny at all, right? Oh well, goodbye and see you in the next video.